welcome back to Red Ted Art. Today we have this adorable owl bookmark. Now many of you know that I made an owl bookmark many moons ago as part of my Monster Corner bookmark, but I never actually showed you how to make the owl itself. So today I've got 4 owls. If you watch right to the end of the video, you get to see all the different designs and all the different colors. But right now we're going to go and make this purple one. Come on, let's take a look and see how they're made. So you will need a main coloured sheet of paper. This one's about 15 by 15 centimeters. It's origami paper and some scraps for decorating, scissors, glue stick and pen. The first thing we need to do is make our classic corner bookmark, which many of you will be familiar with already. But if you're not, this is how you make it. Turn it to make a diamond. Bring the bottom up all the way to the top and make a nice neat crease. Bring the corner over, and again this corner up. Open, and now you have 2 flaps. Bring one flap down, point to the bottom, and the other flap and tuck it in. Bring this flap and tuck it in. You have now made your basic corner bookmark. Super easy, isn't it? Now it's time to decorate. You're going to watch me cut out some shapes on fast forward, and then we're going to stick them on. Time to glue everything down. I'm going to start by gluing my beak down. So a little bit of glue at the back, not on just the top bit. There we go. Isn't that adorable? Your owl bookmark corner is finished. Now remember, if you want to, you can use some pens and add some little details like feathers or little feathers on the middle. And it's super duper cute. Now, do you want to see the other ones as mentioned at the beginning of the video? So we've got one that we made just now. Look at this one. Isn't that cute? You can have real fun with the eyes, or this one. So again, you can just have a look at where the eyes look or point to and just have different effects. So this one looks really happy. This one looks sleepy. This one's kind of checking out what's going on. So just have fun with your eyes and kind of decorate them in different ways. And that was it. As you know, I have lots of bookmarks here on Red Ted Art. I have a video showing you my complete collection, but actually it's actually not complete because I did it about a year ago and I've got many designs since then. But I will link it at the end of the video, so do check it out because it's super, super cute. And yes, that's it really. In the meantime, you know, as per usual, don't forget to like, comment, and yes, keep watching and keep making, and hopefully we'll see you here again soon. Take care. Bye.